Welcome back, my friends. It's so good to see you, and it's so good to be at Mitsui Seiki. I have three good friends here, my buddy Roy, my buddy Scott, and my buddy Dan. We're talking a little bit about past, present, and future, and I'm honored to be here with Roy. This company is darn near 100 years young. And I love that because there's a legacy here. There's a story to be told. And Roy, living in the U.S. for 18 years, actually spent time here learning about the American culture as well. Roy, let's talk about this legacy company of almost 100 years, my friend.
Yeah, IMTS Seiki is just 96 years old. We keep producing high rigidity, high accuracy machine to support high-end industry in the world. But the key will be the how to survive next 20, 30 years. That is our most important things now.
Very, very well said, Roy. And it is important to consider the future. Dan is going to take us down that journey, but I got to grab Scott first because you two are best friends. He says he's Japanese on the inside, you're American on the inside, and he's been through this journey from the years of tape, and I love that story. Scott, what's the journey been like as you've worked with Mitsui Seiki for about a third of its existence?
Well, when I started out, I learned how to punch Mylar tape. And I would try to sell a tape punch machine to guys that were, classic machinists. They were able to make anything with a Bridgeport and a lathe and a surface grinder. And I would try to sell an NC tape machine to them, and they would say, I ain't punching no tape. I can make a part faster than you can punch that tape. And I would say, yeah, but let me show you. So I'd punch out a tape, I'd load it into the machine, I'd push the button, it'd make the part, I'd push the button again, it would make a part, and these guys would look at it and go, this is productivity, guys. You buy a machine tool to make money. So throughout my career, as NC became CNC, we're moving into AI, we're moving into digital systems that make decisions on the shop floor easier. These core competency machine tools are designed to make money. My career has been looking 5-10 years down the road. Where is the demand for CNC machines that they can't buy today? I'll build it, I'll figure out how to make it work, and you buy it to make money.
Very, very well said, Scott. If you could pass that microphone over to Dan. He's not just a pretty face. We're talking about 30 years into the future, thinking about what that forecasting might be. We have almost 100 years of history, but we must look to the future in order to continue succeeding and building things that no one else can do. And discussionably, the most precise machine tool on the planet. Dan, what are we looking at for the future?
Yeah, I appreciate that. I think, to build off the existing foundation of what Mitsui Seiki has done over 96 years, continue to build on the expertise in industry, being a true solutions provider, thinking ahead, like Scott said, 10, 20, 30 years, solving problems, and being a true partner, right? Our customers are interested in application-specific machine tools. And when they come to us, it's for the reasons that we're well known, right? Top of the pyramid, sub-micron tolerances, hard metal machining. But to be able to solve those problems as a partner into the future, we'll continue to deepen our already existing meaningful relationships, as well as create new ones.
Very well said, Dan. Roy, thank you so much for your time today. I do appreciate you, Scott. Absolutely incredible. Dan, appreciate your friendship as well. For everyone watching, you've probably heard of Mitsui Seiki. I mean, the precision is second to none. But if you haven't, look them up. Give my friends a call, give them a buzz, and see how this just might change your machine shop.